Learn English to Gujarati. Approach to rulebook with
વલણ,
and.
નિયમ પુસ્તક.
Welcome to the planning circus. Hey, you're about to learn some seriously useful Gujarati words, and yes, we will do it without sounding like a sleepy office printer. Ready? Today's mission is all about ideas, plans, rules, and the glorious moment when people finally stop saying, so. What exactly are we doing? In Gujarati, an approach is.
વલણ,
A procedure is.
પ્રક્રિયા.
A strategy is.
વ્યૂહરચના.
A concept is.
ધારણા.
A guideline is.
માર્ગદર્શિકા.
A rulebook is.
નિયમ પુસ્તક.
And framework for action is.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું.
If that sounds like a meeting agenda, congratulations, you are already emotionally prepared. Your core words today. Let's meet the stars of this chapter one by one. Say them out loud with me if you can. Approach.
વલણ,
Think of the way you handle a problem. Calm, chaotic, powered by tea? That is your.
વલણ,
Procedure.
પ્રક્રિયા.
This is the step-by-step process. The official-looking thing with forms, stamps, and maybe one person saying, next counter, please. Strategy.
વ્યૂહરચના.
This is the smart plan before action. Chess players love it, coaches love it, cats pretending to hunt curtains also seem to have one. Concept.
ધારણા.
This is the idea behind something. The invisible brain light bulb moment. Guideline.
માર્ગદર્શિકા.
This helps guide you. It is not a bossy scream. It is more like a helpful sign saying, maybe do not put the toaster in the bathtub. Rulebook.
નિયમ પુસ્તક.
Literally a book of rules. The sacred text of board games, school clubs, and people who say, actually, page 12 says. Framework for action.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું.
This is the structure that helps people act in an organized way. Without it, everybody has ideas and nobody has pants on fire levels of clarity. Mini story. The meeting that needed saving. Now let's put the words into a funny little story. Just listen and notice how the Gujarati words fit into the scene. The team entered the meeting room with confidence, snacks, and absolutely no plan. Ravi said, we need the right.
વલણ,
Meera said, wonderful, but we also need a.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Because last time our project looked like 3 goats had organized it. Then the manager stood up and announced, friends, I have a.
વ્યૂહરચના.
Everyone clapped far too early. On the whiteboard she drew the main.
ધારણા.
Shared a clear.
માર્ગદર્શિકા.
Opened the company.
નિયમ પુસ્તક.
And finally created a full.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું.
By the end of the meeting, nobody was confused. Frankly, this was less realistic than a dragon doing taxes, but it was inspiring. Useful example lines. Here are simple lines you can reuse. Listen once, then repeat them slowly. His approach was calm and logical. In Gujarati, approach is.
વલણ,
We need a new approach for this project. We need a new.
વલણ,
This procedure is very simple. This.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Is very simple. We must follow the procedure carefully. We must follow the.
પ્રક્રિયા.
Carefully. A good strategy can save time. A good.
વ્યૂહરચના.
Can save time. The teacher explained the strategy clearly. The teacher explained the.
વ્યૂહરચના.
Clearly. The concept is easy to understand. The.
ધારણા.
Is easy to understand. This book explains the concept clearly. This book explains the.
ધારણા.
Clearly. Please read the guideline before starting. Please read the.
માર્ગદર્શિકા.
Before starting. This safety guideline is important. This safety.
માર્ગદર્શિકા.
Is important. I opened the rule book before starting the game. I opened the.
નિયમ પુસ્તક.
Before starting the game. Every club member should read the rule book. Every club member should read the.
નિયમ પુસ્તક.
We need a clear framework for action before starting the project. We need a clear.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું.
Without a framework for action, the plan feels chaotic. Without.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું.
The plan feels chaotic. Dialogue at the office of mild confusion. Let's make it more conversational. Imagine two coworkers trying very hard to sound professional before lunch. A. What is your approach? B. My
વલણ
is simple and practical. A. What is the procedure? B. The
પ્રક્રિયા
is simple. Fill the form and wait. A. We need a better plan. B. Yes, we need a
વ્યૂહરચના
A. What is the main idea here? B. The main
ધારણા
is easy once you see it. A. Where are the instructions? B. They are in the
માર્ગદર્શિકા
A. Where are the rules? B. They are in the
નિયમ પુસ્તક
A. We have tasks but no structure. B. Then let's create a
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું
First, memory tricks that actually behave. You do not need magical powers to remember these words, but a few weird images help. Let's make your brain smile. 4.
વલણ
Imagine a calm student choosing the best way to solve a puzzle. That calm problem-solving mood is the approach. 4.
પ્રક્રિયા
Imagine a giant checklist with boxes you must tick one by one. Step by step means procedure. 4.
વ્યૂહરચના
Picture a glowing chessboard. If it feels like planning to win, it is strategy. 4.
ધારણા
Imagine a light bulb above your head. A bright idea is a concept. 4.
માર્ગદર્શિકા
Picture a road sign and a handbook merged into one superhero object. That is your guideline. 4.
નિયમ પુસ્તક
Imagine a thick blue book that appears whenever someone says, wait, that move is illegal. 4.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું
See a whiteboard full of boxes and arrows that finally stop people from improvising disaster. Quick quiz time. Let's see what stuck. No stress. If you miss one, the vocabulary police will not arrive. Probably. What is the Gujarati word for approach?
વલણ
What is the Gujarati word for procedure?
પ્રક્રિયા
What is the Gujarati word for strategy?
વ્યૂહરચના
What is the Gujarati word for concept?
ધારણા
What is the Gujarati word for guideline?
માર્ગદર્શિકા
What is the Gujarati word for rulebook?
નિયમ પુસ્તક
What is the Gujarati phrase for framework for action?
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું
Your tiny speaking challenge. Now it is your turn. Try these aloud. Even if your pronunciation feels wobbly, that is still progress. Say, my approach is calm. My
વલણ
is calm. Say, please explain the procedure. Please explain the
પ્રક્રિયા
Say, we need a strategy. We need a
વ્યૂહરચના
Say, I understand the concept. I understand the
ધારણા
Say, read the guideline. Read the
માર્ગદર્શિકા
Say, open the rulebook. Open the
નિયમ પુસ્તક
Say, first, make a framework for action. First, make a
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું
friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a whole cluster of smart, useful vocabulary. Today you practiced approach as,
વલણ
procedure as,
પ્રક્રિયા
strategy as,
વ્યૂહરચના
concept as,
ધારણા
guideline as,
માર્ગદર્શિકા
rulebook as,
નિયમ પુસ્તક
and framework for action as.
કાર્ય માટેનું માળખું
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back again soon so these Gujarati words start feeling like old friends instead of intimidating office furniture.